Yes, exercise 4.4, question number 2, A part.
The teacher tells the class that the highest score obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest mark plus 7. The highest score is 87. What is the lowest score?
So what do you mean by twice the lowest score? What do you mean by that? Twice.
Ma'am, twice the lowest score means if the lowest score is equals to x, then 2x plus 7 is equals to 87.
Okay, fine. So we are going to write that. Let the lowest score be
X.
x. Then twice the lowest score. Twice the lowest score. That will be
2x.
2x.
Yes, ma'am.
Then according to the question, we are going to make an equation. Two x plus 7. That is twice the lowest score plus 7. So twice the lowest score is 2x, and we have added with 7 with that. And the highest score is given 87. So the highest score is 87. So when we'll solve it, tell me the next step, Mahi.
Okay, ma'am. 2x is equals to 87 minus 7.
Right.
Then, ma'am, 2x is equals to 80.
Very good.
Ma'am, we cut the 2 and
80
2 and
divided by
80.
2.
Yes, ma'am. And x is equals to 40.
Okay, fine. So x is equal to 40. When we'll cut this number, change it into the lowest form. So we are getting 40 here. So x is equal to 40. Therefore, we can say that the lowest marks are 40. Yes, Fiona unmuted.
Ma'am, no query. I want to answer the question.
Okay, fine.
Can I give the second part answer?
Wait for a while. We just,
Okay, ma'am.
if anybody is having any query, you can raise your hands. Any queries anybody is having? Vanshan, why are you not doing it in your notebook?
ऐसे स्ट्रेट खड़े होते हैं स्ट्रेट ऐसे
Okay, ma'am. In a In a isosceles triangle, the base angle are equal. The vertex angle is 40 degree. What are the base angles of the triangle? Remember, the sum of three angle of a triangle is 180 degree.
So you know,
In
first of
this,
all, Fiona, just tell me what is an isosceles triangle?
ma'am, in which all the three sides are equal.
Isosceles, beta.
Ma'am, there is only two sides equal.
Yes, isosceles triangle. And what do you mean by vertex angle?
Ma'am, I don't know the meaning of vertex angle.
You don't know the meaning of vertex angle.
Yes,
Just
ma'am.
a second, let me explain. See, in the question they are asking that key is an isosceles triangle. This is an isosceles triangle. Okay, in an isosceles triangle, two sides are equal. Okay, so we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
made two sides equal over here, and the vertex angle is 40 degrees. So this is called your vertex angle. Sorry. So this is your vertex angle that is given 40 degree. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
This is called vertex angle. And next thing, what
Okay.
are the base angles of the triangle? They're asking about the base angles. So you have, these are called the base angles. This one and this one.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the
Try
upper part is called
vertex
vertex angle, and the last two parts are called
base angle because
base
this is a base. Because this is a base, so it is a base angle. Okay. And in an isosceles triangle, both the base angles are always same. If you are taking x
Okay.
as a base angle, then both will be x. If you are taking y as a base angle, then both will be y. Okay. So always your base angles will be same in the isosceles triangle. And you know the sum of the three angles of the triangle is 180 degree.
180 degree.
Any triangle. Whichever triangle you will take, all the the sum of three angles means when you are adding all these three angles, all the base angles and vertex angle, when you are adding, you will be getting 180 degree only. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This is your question number 2.
2.
Yes. Let's start with an equation now.
Yes, ma'am. Let the base angle be x degree.
Yes. Let the base angles, we'll take it as x. Let the base angles be x degrees. Let the base angles be x degrees.
The other base angle is equal to x degree.
Yes, other base angle will also be x degree because it is an isosceles triangle, so we'll take both the angles as
X.
x degrees.
And then vertex angle is equal to 40 degree.
Yes, it's already given in the question about the vertex angle. That is your 40 degree. Yes, that is your 40 degree.
Sum of the angles is equal to x plus 40 degree.
Yes, when we'll add all the angles, sum of the angles, we are going to add up all these angles. So we are going to get x plus 40. Okay, when we add all these angles, Sejal, please concentrate. So when you are summing all the angles, you will be getting x plus 40. That means you will be getting 2x plus 40.
2x plus 40.
That will become x plus x will become 2x. Okay.
2x.
Meenakshi, your webcam is closed. Kindly open it. So now we can make an equation. ATQ. Yes, what will be the equation now?
2x plus 40 degree is equal to 180 degree.
Yes, 180 degree.
Then 2x is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree.
Very good. Then you will subtract how much you will be getting?
We have to get 2x is equal to 140 degree.
Yes, 2x is equal to 140. Now, what we are going to do? Next step.
Dividing both sides, we have
No, we don't need to divide both sides. We straight away take 2 will be get
140
140 will
degree
divided by 2. Yes, simply divide this number. So when you will divide this number, you will be getting x.
Yes, and the answer will be x is equal to 70 degree.
Yes, 70 degrees. Answer will
The
be
base angle of the triangle is equal to 70 degree.
yes.
Each.
बोलो यस मैम ऐसे बोलो
The base angles will be
70 degree each.
सॉरी
ma'am.
तो लिखो यहाँ
Good.
पर डेट डालो यार ये वाला करवा दी मैम आज कौन सी डेट है
that's correct. So in this way, you're going to do this question.
Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Together, their runs fell too short of a double century. How many runs did each one score?
Praveen, how much runs are there in a century? एक सेंचुरी में
Ma'am,
कितने
double.
रन होते हैं? How many runs are there in one century?
Ma'am, 100.
And if there is a double century, then
Ma'am, 200.
200 runs, right? So, can you tell me how much runs Rahul has scored here?
Okay, ma'am.
How much runs Rahul has scored?
Ma'am, 200. 2x.
200.
Yes, ma'am.
Sachin scored twice as many runs as Rahul. Do you know the runs of Rahul? In
Yes,
this
ma'am.
question, how much?
Yes. Ma'am, 2x.
Beta 2x nahi. In this question, they are asking that सचिन ने ट्वाइस रन स्कोर किए हैं राहुल से, है ना? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी नो, आपको राहुल के रन्स पता होंगे, देन ओनली यू विल बी टेलिंग अबाउट सचिन स्कोर ना.
Yes, ma'am.
जब तक आपको राहुल के स्कोर नहीं पता, हाउ कुड यू एबल टू टेल सचिन स्कोर? तो राहुल ने कितने रन स्कोर किए हैं, कितने रन्स मिले हैं राहुल को? डू यू नो दैट? इट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन, जस्ट चेक इट आउट.
No, ma'am. ये नहीं है.
सो व्हाट यू विल अज्यूम, कुछ ना कुछ तो अज्यूम करना पड़ेगा ना, अगर आपको नहीं पता तो.
Yes, ma'am.
सो लेट द नंबर
Scored
ऑफ,
by Rahul X.
हाँ, लेट द नंबर ऑफ रन्स स्कोर्ड बाय राहुल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल अज्यूम राहुल स्कोर, ओके? कि हमें नहीं पता राहुल का स्कोर, वी विल अज्यूम राहुल स्कोर इज x. ओके, let the number of runs scored by Rahul is x. Okay, now they are saying Sachin has scored twice. Rahul से twice runs scored किए हैं सचिन ने. So Sachin score will be
2x.
yes 2x, correct. Now they are asking that together. What do you mean by together here? Together their runs. So what do you mean by that?
X plus 2x.
Right. Together their runs. That means both. अगर राहुल के x है and Sachin is scoring 2x, so we are going to add it up because together means adding. So x plus 2x. Good going. So after that, fell too short. Fell too short means दो कम score किए हैं. Fell too short of double century. Double century में दो कम score किए हैं. So what do you mean by that?
Ma'am, 3x plus 2x is equal to 200.
No, beta. See, double. How much is double century?
Yes.
Double century is how much?
Ma'am, 200.
200. And they are saying they have scored double century. In that double century, they are getting 2 runs less. Fell too short means कि 2 रन उसने कम, मतलब उसकी डबल सेंचुरी होने वाली थी और उसके बाद उसका क्या हुआ, 2 रन कम रह गए और वो आउट हो गया. सो व्हाट यू विल बी डूइंग? 200 में
3x is equal to 2 minus.
200 minus 2. 200 में 2 कम. That means 200 minus 2. That will be the double 2. देखो बेटा, together their runs. That means x plus 2x. Fell too short. TWO2 it is given in the question. Fell too short means in the double century. Double century is 200. 200 में 2 रन कम स्कोर किए उसने. ठीक है? That means 198 will be there.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So now we will make the equation. According to the equation, it will be, you are saying 3x, na? X plus 2x will become 3x.
Yes, ma'am.
Is equal to 200 minus 2. So tell me what will be the next step?
Ma'am, 3x by 3.
200 minus 2, how much it will be?
Ma'am, 198.
198, right. Now what we are going to do in the next step?
I'm dividing by both sides by 3.
Either you can divide both sides or you can divide 198 by 3 straight away.
Yes,
So how much you will be getting?
ma'am, x is equal to 66.
66. So if you see in the above part, so x is of, who has scored x score? Rahul or
Ma'am, the
Sachin?
run Ma'am, Rahul.
Rahul. So Rahul's score is
66.
yes. Rahul's score is 66 because we are getting 66 here. X and Sachin's score.
Ma'am, 132.
Yes, you will be doing 66 multiplied by 2. That will be 132. Absolutely right. Clear now? You can write runs here. 132 runs and 66 runs. Let the number of fruit trees be X.
X.
And they are asking 3 times fruit trees. How much will be? 3 times fruit trees.
3x.
Yes, 3x. So 3 times fruit trees will be 3x. Now we have to take out number of
Non-fruit trees.
non-fruit trees. Number of non-fruit trees are how much given?
77.
77, yes. Then according to question, what will be the equation? 2 more
3x
than
plus
2 more than 3 times the fruit trees. So 2 more than, that means 2 plus. Okay, so 2 plus will come in front according to the question.
okay.
2 plus,
3x
yes,
is equal to 77.
right. Then what will be the next step?
Next step will be 3b is equal to 77 minus.
X we are taking now. 3x.
Yes, ma'am.
70,
3x will be 77 minus 2,
right, absolutely right. Then,
which is equal to 75.
yes. Then,
Now x is equal to 75 by 3.
yes, we'll divide it. Then,
Yes, ma'am. Which is equal to 25. B
Right.
is equal to 20. X is
Okay.
equal to 25.
right. So we can say that the number of fruit trees, how much?
25.
Yes, number of fruit trees are 25 and non-fruit trees are already given in the question. Any
Yes,
queries, anyone regarding this question? Anybody wants to ask anything regarding this question? Fiona, unmute. You have raised your hand.